McGuire, is it good?
It's very good.
He likes the spoon.
Yeah, he loves food.
Can I help you?
Raise your hand if you have buttons on your pants or your shirt.
Yummy, yummy, good?
He's like,
Oh, he's not so
He's not.
convinced.
He wasn't crazy about opening presents or. So what's his birthday?
The ball pit? Loved it.
Well, getting old is tough. Take it from a pro.
Take it from Mom.
Pretty cool.
McGuire, no good?
Is it good? Clap if it's good.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Thank
birthday,
you.
dude.